Are you ready for the top 5? We are going to call the top 5 from both sides. Amajinda, Najalu Fuji no Sisi. Afraid to go Shumile, I'm full of Kotesa. Amajaji, Ayakala, Taide. 7 is one of the ultimate pool. But we had to come up with the top 5. So, bakhona-ke ozabethe engisebenza nabo engizoba biza njengamanje bizela stage Mlungisi no-Andile. They are going to help me and bring me those envelopes. Sesisondele emaphethelweni bafowethu. What I love the most ukuthi bonke laba bantu they perform to their best ability. Bonke bebeyimisele, bonke bakwenzile okungamandla abo. And what I love also is they are so confident. I need them to be confident in their own skin. So one of the things that we are showcasing tonight is that you have to be confident with yourself. Be confident with your body. Be confident. Walk tall. Phakathi kwabantu nawe shaya isifuba. Uvele manje ukuthi ubani ungazenyezi. Ungayibuki ukuthi unjani, ungayitshela ukuthi khona abangcono kunawe because you are unique and wenziwe uNkulunkulu ngendlela owenziwe ngayo, so you need to be proud of yourself everywhere you go. That's what Shaya Izandla for doing the best they could. This is awesome. I was here Ulo Odlule, Miss and Miss Tujanene. I remember very well the competition was tight. Kodwa sayibanga bafowethu because ngoba sekudelay. Futhi sonke sajabula ngomsebenzi wamajaji ethu who did their job fairly. And I promise you that namhlanje we are going to experience the same. So we have no doubt ukuthi we have the quality, we have the best of choices, and again nizoyibonela nani. Umlungisi no-Andile while they're preparing their envelopes. Sending Sibali ngengoma. Sibali ngengoma. Phela mina ngiyathomoya mina. Mina ngiyathomoya nje Nkosi yami. Mangivuke yasekhaya ngizobalinda ngengoma. Senze njalo bafowethu. Ngiyavumela senze njalo. We have the king, we have the queen, Mr. and Nyabakumbola. And then those contestants will take the stage. Ngicela ke sethi umsiko ngapha nina bantu bethomoya. Ngisana umsiko bafowethu.